Did you know your fingernails grow around 3 millimeters a month? That's almost as fast as the grass under your unmowed lawn. But instead of letting your nails become wild and overgrown, wouldn't you rather have them healthy, strong, and beautiful? If you're tired of brittle, splitting, or discolored nails, then you've come to the right place. Today's video is all about how to prevent nail problems. So, without any further delay, let's jump to the journey. Keep fingernails dry and clean. Taking care of your nails might not be at the top of your self-care list, but it's time to change that tune. Imagine this. You've just won the battle against a sink full of dishes or given your home the deep clean it deserves. What's your next move? Drying those nails properly is crucial. Leaving them wet is like rolling out the welcome mat for trouble. And when it's time to tackle household chores, think of cotton-lined rubber gloves as your nails' best friends. They're the ultimate barrier against the water and harsh chemicals that love to party at the expense of your nail health. Practice good nail hygiene. Now, onto the beauty routine part. When your nails need a trim, reach for those sharp manicure scissors or clippers. The strategy here is simple. Cut straight across, then gently round the edges for that effortlessly chic look. And here's a tip that your nails and cuticles will thank you for. Lavish them with some hand lotion. It's like a hydrating hug, keeping them in prime condition halfway through. And aren't these nail care tips fascinating? If you're finding this video helpful, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Eat a balanced diet. Feeling peckish? Your nails are too, and they're all about that biotin life. Snacking on biotin-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and seeds is like feeding your nails their very own superfood. Biotin, or vitamin B7, is a hero when it comes to red blood cell production and keeping your nails tough as nails. Don't stop there. Give them a feast with meats, fish, and greens for that all-around nutritional boost. Protect nails from sun exposure. If you're stepping out into the sunshine, don't forget your nails need some love too. A dab of sunscreen on your nails can shield them from those sneaky UV rays that are out to do damage. Check your nails regularly. But here's where we get serious. Keep a vigilant eye on your nails for any oddball changes, be it in color, shape, texture, or if they're sending SOS signals with pain. Notice something that's not quite right? If those anomalies stick around or you spy signs that your nails might be staging a mutiny, think infections, it's not time for home remedies. It's time to get professional help. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to preventing nail problems and keeping them looking and feeling their best. It's about more than just aesthetics. It's about health. From the basics of drying and protecting to the nuances of trimming and feeding, every step is a step towards stronger, healthier nails. And when things seem amiss, knowing when to seek expert advice is your ace in the hole. Remember, your nails are like little billboards for your overall health. Treat them well, and they'll do more than just look good. They'll tell a story of wellness and care that goes beyond the surface. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health wisdom and tips.